Today we are going to learn next part of psychological novel, that is the general topic for your BSc third paper English novel for your semester 6. In the previous lecture of psychological novel, we learned about what is the definition of psychological novel and some writers of psychological novel, especially English novels, and how the psychological theory invented and Sigmund Freud wrote about the psychological theories in that period and it is used in the novels. Now, in this lecture, we learn about the examples of psychological novel. Psychological thriller. See, psychological thriller is a subgenre of the thriller and psychological novel genres, emphasizing the inner mind and mentality of characters in a creative work. Because of its complexity, the genre often overlaps and or incorporates elements of mystery, drama, action, slasher, and horror. Often psychological horror, it bears similarities to the Gothic and detective fiction genres. Here we can understand how the psychological thriller is a subgenre of psychological novels. Next part, psychological horror. You can search this in on internet. It is taken from Wikipedia. Psychological horror, that is a subgenre of the horror and psychological novel genres that relies on the psychological, emotional, and mental states of characters to generate horror. On occasions, it overlaps with the psychological thriller subgenre to enhance the story suspensefully. Here we can understand how the mental state of character and emotional state of the character is the important part in the psychological novel. Next part, psychological drama. Psychological drama is a subgenre of the drama that psychological novel genres which focuses upon the emotional, mental, and psychological development of characters in a dramatic work. So we can understand there are psychological thrillers, psychological dramas, and the psychological horror novels. See, here are the psychological science fiction also. Psychological science fiction films are dramas or thrillers occurring in a science fiction setting. Often the focus is on the character's inner struggle, dealing with the political, technological forces, or with any fatals. A Clockwork Orange, 1971, The End of Ev- Evangelino, Evangelion, 1997, Donnie Dark 2001, and Inception in 2010 are notable examples of this genre. Psychological novel first appeared in 17th century France with Madame de la Fete's Princess de Cleves, and the category was consolidated by works like the Abbe Prevost, Manon Lescaut in the century following. More primitive fiction had been characterized by a proliferation of action and incidental characters. Here we can understand how psychological novel first appeared in 17th century, which are the novels from the 17th century. The psychological novel limited itself a few characters whose motives for action could be examined and analyzed. In England, the psychological novel did not appear until the Victorian era when George Eliot became its first great exponent. Here we can understand how a psychological novel is limited itself to a few characters. If we take example of Virginia Woolf's To the Lighthouse or Mrs. Dalloway, we can understand it is written in the time span of that novel. The Mrs. Dalloway is only one day, but it describes the past events, past memories of Mrs. Dalloway in that particular period, though that is the novel of the memories, and the flashback technique is used uh, in that particular novel. So the flashback technique is also one of the characteristics of psychological novel, and here we can understand how it is used in that particular novel. So this is the one of the best example of psychological novel, and the theory used in that particular novel, that is the stream of consciousness technique. When we read the psychological novel, we can understand those two characteristics are the prominent in that psychological novel, that is the flashback technique and the stream of consciousness technique. It it has been assumed since then that the serious novelist's prime concern is the workings of human mind, and hence much of the greatest fiction must be termed psychological. Dostoevsky's Crime and Punishment deals less with the ethical significance of a murder than with the soul of the murderer. Flaubert's interest in Emma Bovary has less to do with the consequences of her mode of life in terms of nemesic logic than with the patterns of her mind in Anna Karenina. Tolstoy presents a large scale, obsessive study of feminine psychology that is almost excruciating in its relentless probing. Here we can understand how Flaubert also introduced a psychological novel through his novel Emma Bovary. The novels of Henry James, or the short stories of Henry James, are psychological in that the crucial events occur in the souls of the protagonist, and it was perhaps James more than any serious novelist before or since who convinced frivolous novel readers that the psychological approach is used by Henry James guarantees a lack of action and excitement. So Henry James used psychological theories for writing his novels and short stories. The theories of Sigmund Freud are credited as the source of psychoanalytical novel. Freud was anticipated, however, by Shakespeare in, for example, his treatment of Lady Macbeth's sono- somnambulistic guilt. Two 20th century novelists of great psychological insight, James Joyce and Vladimir Nabokov, professed a disdain for Freud. So, James Joyce and Vladimir Nabokov are the most important novelists of psychological novel. To write a novel with close attention to the Freudian and Jungian techniques of analysis does not necessarily produce new prodigies of psychological revelation. Oedipus and Electra complexes have become commonplaces of superficial novels and films. Here we can understand the theory of Oedipus Rex and Electra that is used in the psychological novels also. The great disclosures about human motivation have been achieved more by the intuition and introspection of novelists and dramatists than by the more systematic work of the clinicians. So here we can understand those are the novelists are important. One is about James Joyce, second Vladimir Nabokov, third Virginia Woolf, and the they used the theories from Sigmund Freud's psychological theory and write down the psychological novels. Their novels are treated uh, as a modern novels and psychological novels introduced in the 20th century. Here we can understand psychological novel is one of the most important genre in the English novel. That's why it is introduced and prescribed for your syllabus. Read more about the psychological novels and try to read also psychological novels as well. Till then, in next lecture, we will learn about the next general topic, which is remainder one. And in the previous lectures, as we learn historical novel and the satirical novel, and now we learn about the psychological novel. In the next lecture, we learn about the remaining one of the general topic, and till then read about the psychological novels, historical novels, and satirical novels. Till then,